but I have big dreams. I want to help. I want to be kind. I listen to my teacher. I love my family. I respect everyone. I am not perfect, but I am growing. I am learning. I'm becoming better. So today, I stand here with pride because I believe in myself. I am special. Thank you.
Thank you, Mariana, for that wonderful presentation. Let's